Hi, this is Eric Widman from Passage Immigration Law, where we help businesses and families navigate the U.S. immigration maze. In this brief video, we're going to look at how to check the processing times for your case with USCIS. So go to Google, type in something like USCIS check processing times. This will come up. You will be brought to this page where the URL is egov.uscis.gov up there. And then you will type in the type of form that you need. And I'm going to show you the I-751 form as an example. We're going to look at the California Service Center, where there are some especially long delays these days, unfortunately. Click Get Processing Time. And this shows up. What used to be a matter of months has turned into almost years, almost 24 months for a number of cases. And so you see here that there's a pretty broad range, but at least you know you're not alone in terms of the delays. That's for everyone. Some other really helpful information here is you can type in the receipt notice number on your I-797C receipt notice, and you will then be brought to this page where you can get specific information for your specific case. But for this video, mainly want to focus on key information down here, where it says we have posted a receipt date for case inquiry in the table to show you when you can inquire about your case. So that is over here, and this means USCIS is saying you have to look at the filing date of your case before you can ask them, why is my case delayed? So if you filed your 751 form before February 19th, 2017, you can submit an e-request. This service request, which you submit right here, click on that. Link, here's a case inquiry page, case outside normal processing time, and you submit an e-request. But this page here on the processing time gives you a really general understanding of the typical times that USCIS is taking to process cases.